Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 3 AMOLED edition, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the control button, the control/light button, and keep holding it until the watch reboots. It takes about, I would say, 10 seconds. If you see the power key for assistance, don't release it, keep holding the button. And after the screen turns off and you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and then wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.